I do throw in a bath so that I don't have to touch anything once I am finished with it. So throwing off a bath allows me to keep it centered just a little bit better. So right now I'm thinking about the form, kind of a nice round form. Another thing to consider is how things cool down in the whole process. So if I have an open form like a bowl, they are more likely to break simply because they get attacked with the temperature change a lot faster. Where if you think of a vase, a bottle, they retain the heat inside a lot longer, so the thermal shock plays with it a little bit different. So that is another thing to consider. Right now I'm laying out the walls. I'm doing this pull, kind of measuring the thickness with my fingertips, making sure that it's not too thick. And then, so everything feels pretty good. So I like to use this rib for shaping. I like to bend it and get that curve. But the other thing that I really like about it is you can see as I'm using the rib, I'm compressing my thrown lines back. I'm getting a nice smooth surface. And this is just gonna make my burnishing a lot easier when it comes to trimming later. Collaring the neck, establishing the rim. Nice and thick right there. So now finishing it off. I like to put copper wires on some of my pieces, so this little mark will allow me to put one in there so it'll stay. Some porcelains behave a little weird if you drop water down the side. So in my case, I try to avoid any water dripping down the side because it does change the texture of it. This. And finishing off the rim, nice and smooth. And this piece is done.